Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add B-roll footage in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the follow button and leave a like. So let's begin. Now we need just to start a new project so we can add our B-roll footage. So basically, in Instagram edits, there isn't like some direct way to start adding some B-rolls or have more control on your footage. Otherwise, you will be able to start using some tools or AI tools that are already added into Instagram edits that would allow you to have same as the B-roll footage effects. Now, let's just add some footage to this video, and here we will have these three timelines or these three clips on our timeline. And from here, you will be able to start choosing a clip, and then you will need to add some effects to it that will be uh, kinda like a bureau. And Instagram would allow you or gives a variety of effects that you can apply to your clips or to your media. So let's choose an image, for example, this one, and then we will need just to scroll to effects and make sure that you are selecting the media. You will need to have it highlighted with yellow. You click on effects, and from here you will find a variety of effects. So you will have, for example, zoom in. There will be some uh, drifts up, drifts down, faded, like these ones, these pulls, or the drifts down, and depending on the timeline that you have, the more the time for your video or for your footage, the more slow or the slower it will get for the effects. So as you can see, for this video, it will be slower than the other one. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.